What's good, y'all? I'm back with another gun video. Okay, this is gonna be a breakdown of my Black Rain Ordnance Fallout 15. I'm gonna make sure to just tell y'all as much as I can about this in terms of just like my experiences with it, the attachments I put on it. I'm gonna take it to the range. I'm gonna shoot it, a little performance test. Yeah, I just want to kind of give you the full spectrum type review, and you can proceed with your choice. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get like a y'all gotta get over here so y'all can see this. You feel me? This is my masterpiece in terms of just my first rifle. I'm real proud of this. The reason why I chose all black attachments is because of this beautiful distressed bone colorway. It's actually ridiculous. Like, it's literally bone. Like, I've never seen an AR like this. Like, it's not flat dark earth, tan. It's not that. It is literally distressed bone. It's not goofy. It's not super bright, cartoonish, but it's also just not the standard black. Like, it has real character to it. Like, I really like that. I really like that. So the attachments that I decided to put on this gun were just all modeled around like efficiency and productivity. So let's just start from the front to the back and what I added. I added a flashlight, bipod, front sight, just an angle foregrip, an EOTech holographic sight, the rear iron sight, an ambidextrous charging handle. As you can see, I have to turn it around to show you this. The mag pull bad lever, and the UTG Pro pistol grip. That's what I added to this weapon, and honestly, it runs flawlessly with all these things attached. Never had any problems, like never had to make any changes because of functionality of these exact parts on this weapon. If you hear a little rattling, the UTG Pro grip has a little compartment at the bottom. So if I ever was in a jam, I got 3 more shots stored in here. That really attracted me to this grip. And it's comfortable as well. So, like, I love how the grip I got on it. Like, look at that. Oh, man. Like, this is it. Like, extremely comfortable. The front and rear sights and also the bipod are by this brand, Fiachi. That's the Amazon special. I hate giving Jeff Bezos ugly ass my money. I'm not gonna lie, I hate it. But economically, it made sense. The front grip is a CQR Hera front grip. It's so abstract. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not the norm. But the way I have a grip right here, it's just, I'm so comfortable. I'm so comfortable. I can really focus. I'm secure, like, and that's all I care about. You have multiple grip options. You could grab this any way you want. Like, you really could keep it here standard and still be quick. You see that? Huh. Real efficient, real direct and precise movements because you have full control. Like, nothing shakes on this gun but the extra dexter. You know, no one know about that. No one know about that till they up on you. The next attachment is my EOTech 512 holographic sight. EOTech is one of the staples in holographic sights. So it was a safe bet, smart bet. It works for me. It's actually real functional. I love how I can adjust the brightness. I love how I can see far and up close. It's not hazy. I don't think I have a astigmatism, but some hollow sights are just trash in my opinion. Like, some are super blurry or like it's reflecting off the sides and stuff, and you don't have any of those quality control issues with the EOTech. So, safe bet, smart bet. Now, in terms of functionality, one of the most important attachments on my gun is this mag pull bad lever. Now, if you're not familiar with the mag pull bad lever, it's basically just a way to activate the bolt without removing your hand from the grip. So if I'm in the process of firing my weapon, shoot, I'm empty. So I empty that mag. The bolt's obviously open. I load up my next mag, And instead of letting go or turning my weapon to the side or having to rack the slide, I can stay in the pocket and manipulate the bolt with this small lever that I attach to my gun. As soon as I push down, that round is in there and ready to go. I'm going to do the whole process slower so you can understand what I'm saying. So when I fired all my rounds in my current magazine and I'm ready to switch, all I have to do is eject the magazine, put in the new magazine, and then just swipe my finger down on the small lever. It's so convenient. It makes target acquisition and everything that much faster because it helps you hone in your focus on just acquiring your target again and less on manipulating the bolt via the charging handle or from the side. Let's move on to the ammo that I use for my Fallout 15. Now, these are the main magazines that I use for this AR. I have the stock one and a couple other regular PMags upstairs, just the standard black 30s. But these are the ones that I mostly use. So I have a small 10 round PMag. I love how light it is. It's how quick you can handle it, and also like how fast you can change them out just because they're so small. You can store 4 of these and they don't take up a lot of space at all. So the next one's just they're both 2 standard 30s. They just have designs on them, and I honestly like how they look in the gun. Like, it just gives it a different flavor. I really just kind of like how the colors splash off of the bone, especially the banana one. Like, I don't know, it's nice to me. Like, it's just different, just something different to me. A mag that I really love though is this coupling mag from ETS. I love the functionality of this because you could just fire when you're done and you want to switch, and then you just back. I automatically hit the lever. You saw my finger. I hit the lever, I'm ready to keep going. Like, I don't have to worry about a whole nother mag, so I like that. And then you just got the big 42. You know what I'm saying? If you just want to be ignorant, you just want to be crazy. If you just want to be crazy, like, that's just the big 42. Love that. Then you got the 60 round drum by Magpul. And I love how compact that is too. You see that? Now look at that. That's a bad setup. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's nice right there. You war ready. Like, never had any problems with this drum too. I fully emptied it. No jams. No failure to feeds. Just real consistent. Now, primarily the rounds that I use are X-Tac and Winchester for the green tips, and then X-Tac 5.56 just full metal jacket. I keep it real simple, and it runs flawlessly through this weapon. Now, the Fallout 15 is multi-caliber, so it can also shoot .223 as well. I just primarily choose to shoot 5.56. It agrees with me. I agree with it. I just prefer to shoot that caliber. So I'm about to go to the range. I'm taking my baby. And if you a gun owner, you know what this sticker means. You know what's in here. You know what's in here. You know what this sticker means. Come on, man. The bipod makes zeroing so much easier. Now we're gonna see where we measure up on the gray. We got a hostage situation. See if I can save the hostage in one shot. Right in that 10 piece. Right there. There's still some black right there. Inside the 10. I hit all in here just now with the bipod. This small group right here, multiple. The bipod makes you so much more accurate. So I'm gonna go middle, standing up, and then that lower red spot right there, I'm gonna do with the bipod. So his chest, I'm gonna hit that standing up and see if I can not hit the hostage. Let's see, did I stand and deliver? Okay. All 10s really. So that's with the bipod. I shot the 0 at the 10. Come on now. Okay, next I'm gonna back it all the way to the wall and use the bipod to hit the 10 on his hand right there. We're gonna see if we can hit it. 3 shots. Let's see what we did. Oh no, I can see it. 1 right in the dead center, and then 2 off to the right. Come on. Nah, we could do better than that. Let's see what we did. Way more inside the 10, but I hit the bottom of the gun right here. But I tore his hand up for the most part right in here. I'm going for this blue right here. Okay. I hit the X right on the dot too. but I'm tapering off a little. The gun's not hot. The gun is not hot, and I fired a decent amount of shots so far. The gun is not hot. As you can see, I'm fully touching it. Let's go green on the left. Now I'm just gonna go for the reds with the Glock. Wasn't the best, but I always shoot the gun that I carry every time I go shoot. I have to. Just gotta stay refreshed on it. Now I'm going for the turkey himself. That was actually way more accurate the faster I went. I had two little wild ones right here, and you know, gobble gobble, turkey neck. But other than that, I damn near made a smiley face in his face. So